Hey everybody, this is Jesse with Survival Summit. Today, we wanted to show you some of our favorite bushcraft and survival tools. First up, our favorite knives. Number one for us is the Mora Garberg. This is a carbon blade, coated, got a perfect 90-degree spine for sparking ferro rods. You can get some serious sparks from a ferro rod. We also like the leather sheath compared to the plastic sheath. We think it's much better. Now this next knife, this is made by Tops for Perseverance Survival. They don't make that knife anymore. It was made specifically for Perseverance Survival. They had a specific run and I don't think they ever brought it back. But it is a really, really nice knife. Next up, a Hatchet by Hults Bruk. I believe that's the Almike. These guys have been making axes and hatchets since the 1600s. I don't remember the exact date. Comes with a nice leather sheath. And what do we have here? The buck saw. This is a collapsible buck saw. You just unspin this and it all collapses into a nice, small, thin profile. It's got a 24-inch Baco blade. This thing is really good for taking down some good-sized lumber. Next up, by Rhino USA. We've only used this once. We haven't torture tested it, but it's a collapsible shovel. It worked pretty well for us, so we're going to keep using it and kind of see how it holds up in the field. Next up, Silky. Silky saws, in our opinion, are the best saws on the market. This one here is the Gomboy. I always keep a couple extra blades. The bad thing about the Gomboy is this case. There's no belt loop, and it's just not made very well. We've already broken the top. It's already come apart, so we're probably going to get something else. Either have a custom sheath made of leather, or maybe even something with Kydex. Now, if you're looking to take down bigger lumber, the Silky Bigboy is where it's at. Now, Silky does make the Outback version of these saws, which we hear are pretty amazing. But they're really hard to come by. We don't even have one yet. Why don't you guys put in the comments what some of your favorite bushcraft and survival tools are? And check out some of these when you get a chance. We don't sell any of these, unfortunately. We mainly do films. But eventually we will likely be adding some of this gear.